You know that little dopamine hit you get when you see a tax refund notification pop up?
Oh, yeah.
It feels like winning some kind of mini lottery.
Totally.
But today, we're diving into this guide, The Wealth Reclaimed, and it basically says that whole feeling is, well, it's a bit of a trap.
It really is a psychological trick we play on ourselves.
Yeah,
This guide is just fascinating because it strips all that emotion away and just looks at the cold, hard mechanics of it.
right.
It argues that if you see a refund as a bonus, you've already lost the plot.
Because the core definition here isn't free money from the government.
No, not at all.
It's reclamation.
That's the exact phrase it uses, getting your own money back. Simple as that.
It's kind of like finding a $20 bill in your old winter coat.
Ha, yeah.
You're happy, sure, but you're not actually any richer, are you?
No, you just finally have access to cash you lost months ago.
Exactly.
And the guide explains why that money was in the pocket to begin with. It breaks down the whole withholding mechanism.
That continuous drip of tax cut from your income all year.
Precisely. The government takes a slice based on an estimate. A refund is just the accounting department, settling the ledger.
And saying, whoops, we overdrafted.
We took a bit too much, here you go.
Which brings us to the logistics. Because even if we know it's our money, we still want it back immediately.
Right.
Does the guide give us any kind of roadmap for speed, or is it just wait and hope for the best?
It's actually very prescriptive on this. It identifies 3 distinct levers that control how fast you get that payout.
Okay.
So obviously there's timely submission. You can't file late and expect it early.
Makes sense.
And there's correct filing, making sure you use the right forms. But the one the guide really, really hammers on is accurate details.
Wait, hang on. That sounds like the same thing as correct filing, though.
You'd think so, but it's more nuanced.
How so?
This is about, data hygiene. Does your bank account number match perfectly? Is your name spelled identically to your official records?
Ah, I see.
The guide suggests that while filing gets you in the queue, it's the accuracy that prevents the bottlenecks.
So if the details don't match what the system expects, the whole automation breaks down.
Exactly. And a human has to step in and look at it.
And that's where your delay happens.
That's where your little delay, as the guide calls it, turns into a really long wait. It makes a strong point about managing expectations there.
Okay, so let's assume we've done all that, filed on time, the data is perfectly clean, and boom, the money hits the account.
Right.
This is where I think the guide gets most interesting. It tries to intervene before we, go out and spend it.
This is the whole wealth reclaimed mindset shift. We tend to treat refunds differently than our regular income.
They do.
Behavioral economists have a name for it. Mental accounting. Because it arrives in this one lump sum, we treat it like fun money.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
I would never take $2,000 out of my normal paycheck to buy a new TV on a whim.
Of course not.
But if a $2,000 refund hits my account, I'm browsing Best Buy's website immediately.
And that's the exact impulse the guide wants to stop. It frames the refund as a tool for your financial health, specifically for better planning and saving.
An opportunity to correct course, maybe.
That's a great way to put it. Since you lived without this cash all year, you clearly don't need it for daily survival.
That's a really powerful reframing. It's not spending money, it's decision money.
Precisely. It's capital you can deploy for long-term goals without messing with your monthly budget at all.
So the big takeaway for you listening is, when that notification hits, just pause for a second.
Take a breath.
Remember, it's just your own cash returning from a long trip. Check your data accuracy to speed it up. But more importantly, have a plan for it before it even arrives.
Don't let that lottery feeling dictate what happens next.
I'll leave you with this final thought from the source material to chew on. Instead of asking, what do I want to buy with this refund? Ask yourself, if this money had stayed in my account all year, how would I have put it to work? Thanks for diving in with us.